Hi, we are back with more oi words. So we have oi words and oy words. Okay, so these amazing sentences have oy words in them, oi, and that's when oi comes at the end of the sentence. So you're going to remember last time, start here and trying to make a sentence as you go through. So this one has 6 words in it. Okay, so start here and go through 6 words. And this one has 6 words also. Okay, so it starts with Troy. Okay. So you're going to go through and you can circle or color the words, and then you're going to write the sentence down here. Okay. Now we're on to this one. This is putting these words in A, B, C order. Okay? So the way that you do that is any word that starts with an A will come first. And then you're going to say, are there any words that start with a B? C, D, E, and you're going to keep going. So you want them to be in order of their beginning sounds and the alphabet. Okay, so to start out with, I see one word that starts with A. See right here? So this will end up being your first word, a boy. And I see a B, a C, let's see. But then you know what I notice? When you get to J, I notice there's 2 words that start with J. Okay, if they start with the same sound, great. We're going to just cross off the J and go to the next letter. Oh my gosh, they both have an O as our next letter. Cross that off too. We have to go to the 3rd letter. So then this one has I as its 3rd letter, and this one has Y as its 3rd letter. Which comes first in the alphabet, I or Y? Yeah, it's I. Okay, so then we know this word, join, will come before joy. Okay? Let's see if I see any more. I don't see any more duplicates. Okay, it's just those one tricky J's. Okay, so then keep going through the alphabet and put the words that start with the next letter if there is any. Okay? You can do it. Okay. The next one, you're going to, now, this is a little tricky because you're coloring sounds that start with the oi, or not start, but have the oi sound. You're going to color those blue. If they do not have the oi, O-Y sound, you're going to color them red. Now you're going to have to be really, really careful when you do this. Do you remember when a word has O-Y? That's right, it's at the end, right? So you're going to have to make sure when you look at these words that OY is at the end. And then you would color it blue. So let's do an example. Here's coin. Now I know that has OY in it, but is it OY? Coin. Is the OY at the end? No, it's not. So that one will not be blue. Instead it would be red. Okay? So you're going to really have to be really careful when you look at your words. You know what? Let me see something. Okay. You know what I'm going to say actually for this? I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm going to change this paper. I'm going to say if it has O-I or O-Y, color it blue. If it has any of the oi sound, color it blue. If it doesn't have the oi sound anywhere in it, then color it red. Let's include the O-I's in this one, okay? So let's change it just a little bit. Okay. So go ahead and work on that. Remember how we changed it. So if it's O-I or O-Y, you can color it blue. As long as it has the oi sound in it, then go ahead and color it in blue. If it doesn't have the oi anywhere, color it red. Okay. Thanks for being patient with me as we figured out that change. Have fun!